Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here today. We're diving into a product that's not only practical but also essential for smooth, hassle-free travel. Today's review focuses on the MODENGKONGJIAN TSA-approved toiletry bag, a set of 3 clear toiletry bags designed to comply with airline security regulations. Let's take a closer look at what these bags really bring to the table. The MODENGKONGJIAN TSA-approved toiletry bag set includes 3 clear, quart-sized bags, each measuring 7.7 by 5.9 by 2.5 inches. These bags are designed to meet the TSA's 311 liquid rule, making them ideal for air travel. The transparent PVC material makes it easy to see the contents at a glance, and the reinforced seams are meant to prevent cracking and leakage. Though it's important to note that the zippers aren't waterproof. The bags are lightweight, weighing only 0.13 pounds each, which adds to their portability. Each set comes with 3 bags, offering ample options for personal use or sharing with family or friends on your travels. After using these bags during a recent trip, I can say they're incredibly easy to pack. The transparent design makes it a breeze to quickly spot everything you need without digging through your carry-on. The quality of the material feels sturdy, with the bags standing up to the pressure of travel without any noticeable wear or tear. One thing to consider, though, is the zippers. While they close smoothly, I did notice that they're not entirely watertight, so if you're worried about liquid spills, these bags might not be the best option. But for the most part, they serve their intended purpose of organizing toiletries and cosmetics. In terms of strengths, the MODENGKONGJIAN bags excel in size and convenience. They fit easily in a carry-on, which makes getting through security a lot quicker. The clear design is also a huge advantage, helping to avoid the hassle of rummaging through your bag for a tiny bottle of lotion or toothpaste. The sturdy construction and durability are great for repeated use, making these bags reusable and long-lasting. On the flip side, there are a few things to keep in mind. The lack of a waterproof zipper means you should be cautious with items like shampoo or conditioner that might spill. Also, while the bags are lightweight, they don't offer any extra padding, so fragile items may not be as protected as you might like. And although they're sturdy, they are made of plastic, which some people may find a bit less eco-friendly. Now let's talk about value for money. For the price of these bags, you're getting 3 durable, TSA-compliant bags that meet airline regulations. Considering the price point, these bags are solid in terms of both quality and practicality. They're great for regular travelers or anyone looking to keep their toiletries neatly packed and accessible. There are similar options available on the market, but the MODENGKONGJIAN bags stand out for their clear, no-fuss design and reinforced seams, which you don't always find in cheaper alternatives. As far as build quality goes, the bags feel strong. The 0.6mm thick PVC material gives them a sturdy feel, and the reinforced seams are a nice touch to prevent cracking. That said, while they hold up well in typical travel conditions, they don't offer extra padding, so they're better for toiletries that aren't too fragile. When it comes to customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with the company, but based on the product's reputation and the general quality, I don't foresee many issues. The bags seem well designed for their purpose, and I would imagine the company stands by its product if any concerns were to arise. In terms of alternatives, if you're looking for something similar but perhaps with a bit more protection or extra features, you might want to look into bags with padded compartments or waterproof zippers. However, if your main goal is a straightforward, no-frills, TSA-compliant toiletry bag, these MODENGKONGJIAN bags certainly get the job done. To wrap things up, the MODENGKONGJIAN TSA-approved toiletry bags are a practical, cost-effective option for any traveler. They're durable, lightweight, and meet all the TSA requirements. While there are a few minor drawbacks, like the lack of waterproofing and extra padding, these bags are still a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their travel toiletries. If you're interested, you can check the link to grab your set of bags in the comments below. And if you've already tried them, let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's always a beautiful day when you're traveling with Beautyistic. Goodbye till next time. Keep your bags packed, and your travel stress-free.